Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Hazir Haikal bin Hani and I'm from 3BMMA section 1/1. Okay. Today I would like to talk about continuous variable valve timing. A Stirling mechanical system operates the same way at all RPMs and all engine loops. That's not ideal for MPG horsepower or emission. You want to vary this behavior at different point of the engine reference. That's why we have VVT and change 3 parameter valve timing. At what point in the engine, rotations do the valve open and close valve duration, how long the valve stay open once it is, and valve lift, how far a valve move of its seats when it opens. So, varying all those valve advance they will allow this engine, and most importantly is electronic control unit. Okay, this unit can constantly make a call to get the most power, the best MPG, and the lowest emission all at once. Okay, last but not least, continuous variable valve timing or CVVT operates with hydraulic pressure and optimizes the opening and closing timing of the valve. The exhaust valves are retarded to increase internal gas recirculation, improving fuel economy and exhaust gas emission. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ikhwan Syamim bin Khawari. For my part, I will talk about the basic theory of CVVT. Okay, for the theory of operation, continuous variable valve timing system advance or retard the valve timing of the intake and exhaust valve in accordance with the ECM control signal, which is calculated by engine speed and load. By controlling CVVT, the valve overlap or underlap occurs, which makes better fuel economy and reduce exhaust gases and improve engine performance through reduction of pumping loss, internal EGR effect, improvement of combustion stability, improvement of volumetric efficiency, and increase of expansion work. This system consists of the CVVT oil control valve, which supplies the engine oil to the cam phaser or run out the engine oil from the cam phaser in accordance with the ECM PWM, which is pulse width modulation control signal. The Cvvt oil temperature sensor OTS, which measures the engine oil temperature, and the cam phaser, which varies the cam phase by using the hydraulic force of the engine oil. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad. Today I want to talk about Cvvt operation system. Okay, thank you. I will continue for the system and technology diagram for the Cvvt. As we can see, there are three conditions happen. There are initial state, hold state, and advanced or retard. It happen in the intake and the exhaust. This one is the housing vane, rotor vane in this inside, and the retard chamber. This one, the arrow refer to the hydraulic fluid. Okay, we can see how it works. Next, we go to the graph. At the low speed or low load, this one happens at the exhaust valve and intake valve. This one for refer to the TDC top dead center and BDC bottom dead center. Exhaust valve, we have an intake valve. Same as the part load, we see the difference between the graph. The third one is low speed and high load, and the fourth high speed, high load. Alright. Okay, for now I will show the dual Cvvt, how it works. We got the exhaust, intake valve. This one is oil inside, and the rotor. See how it move, and you can see the graph for part load, exhaust, and intake. okay for full load, exhaust and intake. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Although the continuous variable valve timing system may got many advantages, like reducing the fuel consumption and increase the torque with low speed, but the system still needs some improvement. Our opinion is improving the performance of the system for control the intermediate lock position control continuous variable valve timing by compensating the ignition timing of the system. By doing this, the system could be worked more efficiently. There are several steps may got to do the process. First of all, obtain a cam position using engine ECU that start to control the intermediate lock position of the continuous variable valve timing system. By using the ECU, the system will determine whether the cam position corresponds to the parking of the intermediate lock position continuous variable valve timing system. The cam undershoot can be prevented by compensating the engine ignition timing. If it is determined that the cam position corresponds to the parking of the intermediate lock position continuously variable valve timing, and it return to the ignition timing control according to an engine operation condition after compensating the engine ignition timing.
Okay, now I'm going to explain about the advantage and disadvantage of the Cvvt system. First advantage is it reduces fuel consumption by the car. It happens by it reduces the pumping loss because of the increase of valve overlap. Second is it reduces emission, which is the nitrogen oxide by EGR, which is an exhaust gas recirculation effect because of the valve overlap optimization. The third is it improves the performance and increase the torque at very low speed. It happens by it improves the volumetric by variable valve timing. Next is the disadvantage. First disadvantage is on many high mileage engines, the cam phase may not be able to function properly because of one cam bearing bore in the cylinder head. Second is more economical to replace the damaged cam phase that attempt to repair, which costs will a lot more, especially for the labor cost. The third is the engine may have some serious noise problem at idle due to the wear inside the Cvvt cam phase.